Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget office chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you need a chair for your home office, student workspace, or just to upgrade your setup without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check those out for more details. Let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Sweet Crispy Office Computer Desk Chair, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $28.79, this chair is ideal for those who want simplicity and functionality without spending too much. The standout feature here is its Y-shaped ergonomic backrest, which provides decent lumbar support for your lower back, making it a great option for short-term use or light-duty tasks. The armless design is perfect for small spaces, and the chair is highly maneuverable with its 360-degree swivel and durable PU casters. In terms of design, the chair features a breathable mesh back coupled with a foam-molded seat for basic comfort. While it's not as padded as some of the higher-end models, the mesh back helps keep you cool during long work or study sessions. The build quality is surprisingly sturdy for the price, with a BIFMA-certified base that has been tested for safety and reliability. While the chair can only support up to 250 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to assemble, taking just 10 to 15 minutes with the included tools. This chair is best suited for students, teens, or anyone looking for an inexpensive seating solution for short work sessions. However, the lack of armrests and limited adjustability might not make it comfortable for extended use. Overall, if you're on a very tight budget and need a simple, compact chair for occasional use, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Best Office Ergonomic Desk Chair, priced at $39.97. This chair offers a good balance between affordability and essential features, making it ideal for those seeking a mid-range budget option. One of its key highlights is the 100% mesh back, which enhances airflow and keeps you comfortable even during long hours. The chair also features a high-density sponge cushion for added comfort, and the rectangular lumbar support ensures you maintain proper posture while working. The design is functional and straightforward, with adjustable seat height ranging from 17.1 to 20.3 inches. It also includes armrests, which many users will appreciate for added support during typing or reading. Assembly is a breeze, with all the necessary tools included, and it takes only about 10 to 15 minutes to put together. The chair is BIFMA certified, ensuring safety and durability, and it supports up to 250 pounds. While the chair doesn't have a reclining function, the mid-back design provides decent support for most users. This chair is ideal for home offices, small workspaces, or even as a secondary chair for guests. Its combination of breathable mesh, comfortable cushioning, and sturdy design makes it a good value for the price. However, the armrests are fixed and not padded, which might be a drawback for some users. If you're looking for a reliable, ergonomic chair under $40, this is a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have another Sweet Crispy chair, but this time it's the Managerial Executive Chair, priced at $42.99. This chair is a step up from the previous Sweet Crispy model, offering more adjustability and ergonomic features. The standout feature is its prominent lumbar support, which is designed to align with the natural curvature of your spine, making it suitable for extended work sessions. The chair also features a breathable mesh back, a high-density sponge seat, and a rocking mode that can recline between 90 and 120 degrees for added relaxation. The design includes padded armrests, which provide extra support and comfort for your arms during use. Smooth rolling casters and a sturdy 5-star base ensure stability and mobility on various floor types, including wood, tile, and carpet. The chair supports up to 250 pounds and is adjustable in height from 18.5 to 22.2 inches. Assembly is straightforward, and Sweet Crispy even includes a video tutorial to make the process easier. This chair is an excellent choice for those who want an affordable ergonomic chair with a few extra features like the rocking mode and padded armrests. It's perfect for home offices, student workspaces, or even gaming setups. However, the seat cushion could be thicker for all-day comfort, and the rocking mode doesn't lock in place. Overall, this chair offers great value for its price and is a worthy upgrade for those willing to spend just a bit more. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Furmax Office Executive Chair. While its price is currently unavailable, it's typically positioned in the mid-budget range, making it a competitive choice for those seeking a high-back chair. This chair offers a professional, executive look with its PU leather upholstery, which is not only waterproof but also wear-resistant. The high back and generously padded cushions provide superior comfort, reducing pressure and making it ideal for long work hours. The chair boasts a 360-degree swivel and a heavy-duty base with smooth rolling casters for excellent mobility. It can support up to 300 pounds, making it one of the most durable options on our list. The seat height is adjustable between 17.2 and 21.2 inches, and it also features a rocking mechanism for added comfort. The lumbar support is integrated into the chair's design, offering moderate back support for most users. This chair is best suited for professionals who want a stylish yet functional option for their home office or workspace. The PU leather finish adds a touch of elegance, but it might not be as breathable as mesh options. Additionally, the chair is heavier than others on this list, which could make assembly and movement slightly more challenging. Overall, the Furmax Office Executive Chair is a durable and comfortable choice for those who prioritize style and support. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Amazon Basics Classic Pure Soft PU padded mid-back office chair, priced at $79.98. This premium option combines comfort, durability, and a clean professional design, making it the best all-around chair in the budget category. The chair features pure soft PU upholstery, which is soft to the touch and easy to clean, along with a contoured padded seat and backrest that offer excellent support. The padded armrests are a nice touch, adding more comfort for extended use. Performance-wise, this chair shines with its adjustable seat height, tilt control, and seat angle adjustment, allowing you to customize it to your comfort level. It supports up to 275 pounds, and its sturdy KD metal base ensures long-term reliability. The smooth rolling casters work seamlessly on various surfaces, making it easy to move around your workspace. Assembly is straightforward, with all components conveniently packed and clear instructions provided. This chair is perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who spends long hours at their desk. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the additional comfort and adjustability justify the price. The only downside is that it's slightly less breathable than mesh chairs due to the PU material. However, if you're looking for a chair that offers excellent value and a premium experience without exceeding $80, the Amazon Basics Classic Office Chair is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best budget office chair for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this. If you have any questions about these chairs, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.